I'm an HP certified technician, and today we're going to be going over how to connect your Beats to your HP computer. First, we're going to go over to this start button, and then we're going to hit the little wheel that says settings. We're going to go over to devices, and under Bluetooth and other devices, we're going to use this add Bluetooth button. But first, take your Beats headphones and look for this button. Once you find that button, if you can't find that button, maybe look to check and make sure that yours says wireless. If it doesn't say wireless, there's a chance you don't have Bluetooth capable headphones. So I'm going to hold down this button, the power button, and once it turns on, I'm going to hold it for about 3 to 4 seconds, maybe 5 or 6, and then release it so that it will start the pairing function. As you can see, if it's doing this, then it's ready to pair. Then after getting it to do that, then I hit the add Bluetooth button. But make sure you don't do it too long after, otherwise it may not work. And then hit Bluetooth, add a device, and look, it starts looking just like that. If for some reason it won't connect or can't find the device, go to your cell phone or tablet and turn off the Bluetooth if it's usually connected to that device, because you might have dueling devices arguing over your Beats wireless headphones. So as you can see, I've clicked on the Beats Solo Wireless and it's trying to connect right now. And it's that simple. Now, as a quick reminder, if you find that it won't work still, check your speaker settings in the bottom right. See expand the box and make sure that those Beats headphones are what is selected for your speakers and not your computer speakers. Anyway, that is how you connect your Beats headphones. Thank you for supporting our channel, both through subscribing and through Patreon. Also, a big shout out to our fellow eggheads who have purchased merchandise from our store. Also, a big shout out to Pinion Designs, whose talented designers crafted our merchandise for us. This is not a paid endorsement, we're just impressed with their work, and their website is down below in the description. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.